What's up, guys? This is the Elevator Rider with another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install the RAM mount motorcycle stem mount. And what I've got here so far is the stem mount with like the GoPro mount on it. Let's see, that's the stem mount, and that's with the GoPro attachment. And I got a holder, an X grip holder from my cell phone. It's the large one, so I mean this should work on an iPhone 6 Plus, and I'm gonna also try to use it on a Garmin GPS that I've got laying at home. So I figured I'd put that to good use. And there's that too, that also came with the kit. So there's that. Alright, so tools needed for this installation: just a tape measure or ruler, a pen to make your mark around the stem, an Allen wrench set, and a razor blade or a box knife. Okay, so first we take the stem and we put it down the stem fork hole. Push it all the way down, as far as it'll go pretty much. Then next I'm going to make a mark around it. Okay, once I set my mark, then I pull it out. Okay, so next I'm gonna measure 1 inch down from the mark I made. Right about there. Okay. Alright, and then next I'm going to cut from on the lines that I made. I'm going to make 2 cuts. There's the first one. And time for the second one. Alright, so I've got it here pre-assembled. There's the locking nut. It's a brass color, you guys can see that. Then this is the nut pocket. I chose one that's just big enough where it matches the stem. Then here's my washer right here. And then here's the mounting part, the 1 inch mounting part, 1 inch ball mounting part. Before you put it in the fork stem hole, you want to tighten the bolt up a little bit. That way it starts expanding, because you kind of want it to fit in, feel it kind of snug. That way when you tighten the bolt down, it won't just spin around. And once you start tightening it down, you should feel it expand, I guess. Yeah, you should be able to move it around freely too. So, yeah, that's not going anywhere. So yeah, it's pretty tight on there. So it's a good sign. Yep. So that's pretty much the stem mount. Now I'm just gonna install the rest of the kit. And that's the extra large X grip for larger devices. I can mount my iPhone on there now. And I can move this anywhere, pretty much. And that's pretty much it.